English Shorten Junior November 1981. Ready? Start. Friends, I have great pleasure in addressing this conference today. We are meeting here to discuss the food situation in our country at the present time. The government of India have been taking all steps to increase food production. Unless we are able to increase food production, it is impossible to meet the food shortage in our country. We have to think about several measures which are, in our opinion, essential for increasing food production. In the first place, the irrigation department should work in a satisfactory way. Large number of complaints are received about this department. The cultivators do not get water at the right time, or they get surplus water when it is not needed. It is also a fact that all the areas in this country do, do not have the irrigation facilities. It is therefore important that wherever such facilities are available, they should be put to maximum possible use. There are, of course, other difficulties which they have to face from time to time. It is better if the government officers go and stay in a village for 3 or 4 days to be in touch with the people in the villages. There is no doubt that this will give satisfactory results in due course. Secondly, in several parts of our country, the success of agriculture depends on use of improved seeds and chemical fertilizers. I would like to say in this connection that the government of India have given suitable instructions to all the state governments to supply sufficient quantities of improved seeds to the cultivators in time. However, it has been seen that many cultivators use too much seeds. Research has shown that use of less seeds in a proper manner has increased production. I therefore request the cultivators to bear this in mind in order to increase food production. We have made a very good progress in industries and our achievements are no doubt satisfactory. But as far as agriculture is concerned, our achievements have not been very satisfactory. This is perhaps due to the reason that in the case of agriculture, we have to deal with millions of people and large areas. Nevertheless, there has been some increase in agricultural production during the last few years. During the first 5-year plan, production went up by 10% and during the second plan period it went up by 20%. Letter dated 24th March 1980 from the manager, National Books Company, Bombay to Swami and Co. Madras. Dear Sas, we are receipt of your letter of the 26th instant and we are thankful for the same. As leading booksellers in this part of the country, we hope we will be able to give a satisfactory service to our customers in your area. As required in your letter, we have this day sent by goods train all the items of books and stationery and the railway receipt is being sent to you today by quick mail service. The bill of cost will be sent to you in due course after we hear from you recording the receipt of the articles in good condition. We offer a discount of 10%. Our sales representative, Mr. Balan, will be visiting Madras next month. We have instructed him to keep in touch with you. Thanking you. Yours faithfully.